Here we have a butane torch made by this company, and these can be quite useful around the house. And this one is piezo ignited, and the temperatures are quite hot, all the way to 2300 Fahrenheit. Here we have the features and the ways that you can use it and instructions. So let's go ahead and check it out. All right. So we got the refill tips. All you gotta do is buy the can and then you can refill it. We got a pretty chunky manual, which is a little surprising for a torch. Could be quite useful. And here it kind of shows you how to fill it up. Now this torch here doesn't come with the butane, so you do have to refill it. The manual here kind of goes over on how to do all that, and actually multiple languages. So the torch itself is quite nice. It's metal design. Got a burner here and the igniter in the front. This is where it draws in air. And on the back we have open and close. And then we also have a regulator here for more or less. So yeah, and the handle is plastic, but overall feels pretty good in the hand. And it does say S400 here on the side of it. And so if the control knob is unlocked, it's not going to do anything. And if you unlock it or open it, it's going to let you push it, which will fire a little spark there up front. I don't know if you guys can see, but there's a little spark that fires. Actually, you saw that. All right, so here we have some butane fuel. What we're gonna do is refill our torch. So the first thing you wanna do is use this tool here, and we're also gonna wanna put a tip on the end of it. And then we're gonna press down on the butane and make sure it's empty. And you can kind of feel like a springy action. So there's nothing in there. So now we can go ahead and refill it with our tank. So this one is too short to reach, obviously. This is why we're going to put the little adapter on it. And now it should reach, and sure enough it does. But what you want to do is hold this upside down and then the lighter upside down, and then insert the nozzle. And then what we're going to do is we're just going to click it, like push them together, and the gas and liquids will go inside the torch. So simple as putting them. So let's go ahead and squeeze them together. And you can actually hear it filling up. You want to keep it upside down too, by the way. And that should be pretty good. So now we should be able to use this thing, and actually the handle is cold from moving the butane inside here. Yeah, let's go ahead and put this probably somewhere in the middle, a little less. Yeah, when you do all this, make sure you're in a well ventilated area, obviously. But yeah, we should be able to get a flame now. And there it is. Now you do have to hold it, but it starts immediately. It is quite strong. I can show you guys there, so yep. And you can regulate the size of the flame here. So if we go pretty low, we're gonna get a pretty small flame. If we go all the way up, pretty large one. And if you go all the way down, it doesn't even start. Very nice little torch, and quite handy for a lot of different things. So yeah.